Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Uber Eats payment error. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now the first thing that you want to do here is you want to check if there are any updates on Uber. So go ahead and open up Play Store here and you want to search for Uber, then see if there are any updates. Now, once you've installed the updates, go ahead and open up Uber and check if that solves your issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, the next thing that we could do here is we could just basically clear the data that we have on our Uber mobile app. And here, just press and hold on Uber, go to App Info, and from here, you want to click on Clear Data that you see at the bottom right of your screen. And from here, just click on Clear Cache. Now here, just click on OK to confirm. And from here, you just need to revisit Google Play Store and see if there are further updates on your mobile application and install that and see if that solves your issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.